Okay, so check out this new plant repotting mat that I got. So this thing is pretty cool. So you know how when you're transferring your little seedling plants into the bigger pots, or even if you buy stuff at the store and you're transferring into your actual pots on your patio, the dirt gets just everywhere. So this thing is great. So it's actually just a mat, and the corners of it snap together like this to make sort of a bowl. And so you do everything on here. It's going to keep all that dirt in one spot. And when you're done, you just pour it back into the bag, or, you know, somewhere where you don't care if it gets messy. And so it also comes with these little clippers and 3 little tools, so small enough to use for the little pots. So I'm going to be getting ready for my gardens here very soon. I've got some plants growing inside the seedlings, and so this is going to be great. I can do this in the house or outside, not going to make a mess. So if you're about to get ready for garden season and need something like this, definitely a great starter kit.